road and another Otis.
So you know what that means? It's Otis time.
And it's here.
Otis Lexan. Oh, this is awesome.
Yes.
You can answer that phone later.
Okay.
And going up, let's be quiet, listen to the motor.
Alright. Let's close the doors. Ready?
Go for one more trip and back up to 1.
Right.
The door is slow.
But this is a beautiful, nice elevator.
It sure is.
Yes.
We got Nicholas.
And JimLiElevators.
There's your phone. I just missed that classic leveling. And up to 1 end there. Just all that classic leveling. We're just elevator enthusiasts. I do videos of elevators as a hobby. He lives here and I'm from out of town. It's just a hobby that I have. There it goes, and that'll be it.